a piece of wire from the wall of the house or the car.
Yeah.
It's a copper.
Copper wire.
You put it in the fire, you took it out.
Yeah, and put it in water.
Put it in the water, cool it, heat it down, it goes black.
That is if you don't have no caustic.
No caustic and no electricity.
Okay.
Piece of aluminum foil, piece of zinc, a little bit of sugar, a tissue paper. This is the most important part. Caustic.
And
CH3, CO2, bit of zinc, or what do you call it? Brass cans and titanium. The whole lot will not cost you more than $1 because you find a way to do it in different way. You don't necessarily need these materials. You can do it with different gases. It's the way he's done it.
So, well, if you add some of this.
You put some of the brass dry gans. That's enough. Okay.
And then take some of the titanium.
Take some titanium.
That's it. You have to bring it out on titanium.
I have to take this box away. Yeah. I think Pepsi Cola will pay a lot of money for us for advertising free.
That's a lot. Can you just take some of it?
This is the titanium piece. And then
if you add caustic,
just a little bit of caustic. Don't touch. You never touch caustic. You see housewives. Everything has to go. Yeah, and then you taste it, and then you smell it.
But this is not common sense.
A little bit. That's enough. That's enough.
And then you add some sugar.
And some sugar. It's a very nice cake. It's an energy cake. A little bit, just a little bit.
You can put them together.
Put them together. Put them in one place. Okay, how much you're putting? Okay, is that enough sugar?
Just a little bit more.
Little bit more.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
And then now you made the sound. You mix it together.
Now you need mixing it together. We give you our screwdriver.
That is not going to be, Mr. Keshe. That is going to be difficult for her to manipulate. People will find something.
Bring them all together, and just mix it. She's an Archimedes. You have to push it.
Since I already have the solution, don't you think I should just tell you?
No. Let her show. You see, the more you add the caustic and the sugar, it becomes moisture. It adds. You gotta flow it till it becomes liquidish.
Yeah.
It just absorbs. And if you have a problem, you can add a little bit of this to it. Nope.
No, it doesn't. Just because this is going to be the.
Okay, no problem. You see the zinc opens up. The what do you call it? Titanium opens up. The caustic brings the moisture. Would you like a caustic pancake for lunch, Bill? He doesn't want to listen. Hello, would you like an energy pack lunch? She's cooking.
Okay, why that is going on?
Okay.
Maybe you try.
No. We go very slowly.
Okay.
We are dealing with the world population. Okay, we are not dealing with scientists. This is a woman in a kitchen. Can make it. So we don't need professors to do it. I have to explain, one of the units he's built has been running in his house for 7-8 weeks.
Yeah, about 7-8 weeks.
7-8 weeks, supplying the whole house.
And giving back power into the grid.
And puts power back into the grid. And the neighbor as well has a unit.
Yeah, maybe I'm from my neighbor.
Yeah, so he's made one for himself and one for the neighbor. Mixed it.
Yeah.
So now it's like a liquid. Caustic has brought moisture in. Is a paste.
It's a paste.
It's a paste.
Yes, a paste.
Yeah. So it's well mixed. And now what's the next step?
Apply some on the tissue paper.
Put some of that paste on the tissue paper. Just pick it up with the appliance here. Very difficult. Imagine you're filling up the Christmas pot.
That's enough.
For cake. Yeah, that's enough.
Then you put the nano wire.
Then you put the nano wire on it. Put it in the this way, right in the middle. Be careful you don't touch it. I don't want your finger tight, very tight. Squeeze it and roll it. It's like a sausage roll. Yeah, the sausage is in the middle. Yeah, okay. Now we've done the sausage roll.
Okay, now you put the aluminum foil over it.
You need the aluminum foil.
Let me just make it smaller. So
it's the aluminum foil has to go around it. There we are. Wrap the tissue paper. What's happening? Understand the process. First of all, the moisture and the caustic stays with the tissue paper, which means the tissue paper holds on to the moisture as it's coming in. So you never become dry, more or less. And then the aluminum foil is a wrapping and behaves and acts as a positive and a negative pole. Yes? Yeah. The ingredient is sugar, very small amount, few grains of sugar, a few grains of caustic, dried nanograms of titanium oxide. You can use something else. He uses titanium. You can use any other material which is in the paste form. And then dry gans of, don't get excited. The dry gans of brass. And what else we put in there?
Dry gans of brass and azole.
And we didn't put any CO2 in it. We didn't put any CO2. Not yet. We don't put no CO2 in it. So that's a mixture. Actually, shall I play music while it's there? Dee 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 dee, do 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 do. Happy? Do you want a wire? I have a plenty of wires. Use those wires. Use these wires. I'm happy with it. Okay, give me the cutter. I'll cut it for you.
Okay, try this. Just try this one.
Pardon? No, that's aluminium. There it is. 1.26 volts. You see it?
And then the amps as well.
And then if you go for amperage, it creates.
Oh, sorry.
It creates 1 milliamps.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Depending on what you want to do with the cell, with this, if you just want to use it to generate power, power your house, it's enough. Just add a zinc to it. But if you want to use it as a separate unit to power your LEDs or your mobile phone, you need to add more layers into it.
Can I explain?
Yeah, yeah.
So what it's doing, he's adding more layers. As he adds more layers, he increases the voltage or the current. He's deciding. So you can now go into increasing the power. Shall I play music while he's there? Dee 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 dee, do 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 do. Happy? Do you want a wire? I have a plenty of wires. Use those wires. Use these wires. I'm happy with it. Okay, give me the cutter. I'll cut it for you.
Let's try this. Let's try this one.
Pardon? No, that's aluminium. There it is. 1.26 volts. You see it?
And then the amps as well.
And then if you go for amperage, it creates 1 milliamps.
If you want to make a cell that is going to be you're going to use for your as a battery or so, the system is going to be different from this. What you do is, if you make
This gentleman, it doesn't come from an engineering background. To him, the only tool is a pair of scissors and a knife. Everything else is done the same way. I give him a spanner, he says, I don't use this. I give him a cutter, he doesn't use it. So I said to him, you can have a screwdriver and a scissors. That's all he does. He doesn't have any tools in the house.
All right. If you make a tube of zinc like this is a zinc tube I've made.
It's a tube, he just rolled it up, yeah.
And then you put this mixture, you just load it in the tube. But first of all, before you do that, you have to put
tissue paper
at one end of it, and then if you fill in
just show it.
Okay.
You don't trust the woman?
No,
oh, you want me to you hold on the microphone. Yes, he got excited. You hear his heartbeat. Is it better now?
Is it all right?
It's all right. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. So a tissue paper. I'm gonna grip. So we stick a tissue paper at the end.
Yeah.
It's not tight or very tight?
Tight. So that it's not gonna
go. He's got me going. This is bad enough. So we go tight. No. Then while you're doing this, let me do this. Okay. It's tight.
And then you just fill in.
And then I fill it in with this.
This is what I do.
What do you do?
Oh, sure.
Don't use all of it.
Okay.
Is it not enough?
Yeah, but we still have some more, Mr. Keshe, if we can
Okay,
make some
no
more
problem.
page.
Is
Okay,
it full now?
No, it's not going to be full because if you leave it to be full, you won't have enough. So now, if you stick,
Thank you.
if you stick a piece of
Nano-coated. Notice these are all nano-coated wires.
wire in it,
Yeah.
and then you make the layer, the same layer. This time you have to use a different material. If you put another,
Hold it.
if you put another tissue over it, because this is going to make it like, no, we can make it 2 or 3 layers if you want to. The more layers you have, the more amps and current you have. So if you put tissue over it.
You're going to put the CO2 gas on it?
Yeah.
On the tissue?
Yeah, but when it's on the thing.
Now, yeah.
Put tissue over it and then just add.
This one?
Yeah, anyone could do.
Yeah. This is that CH3, different gas, different energy level. So, it's okay, sorry. We can afford losing some.
And then we add aluminum foil. But this one should not touch the walls. So this should not touch. You need to fill this up more.
You need to fill it up more?
Yeah, fill it up more because it's not. We don't have to let it touch the interior. But let me finish with this and then maybe you can do it.
So he needs to load up a little bit more.
So if you add, just put this over that again.
Don't forget we put some GaNs on the tissue. This is CH3, energy transfer.
And then you put a bit of zinc over it.
Notice how he uses combination of a matter, GaNs, and matter, creating different potential differences. So, the battery is good. Okay. You want to fill it up?
Let me just
fill it up with this.
It's not.
Use the filling in the container you have there.
That one is not going to be enough. You can always make some more.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can make some more.
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think it's gonna
He's made some before. We were filling up yesterday. Is it dried?
Yeah, that's all right. Still.
Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, now you put, there is your nanomaterial. You're going to stick it back in there. Go over this video time and time till you see it. So now he's made his
I made his cell.
basic.
This I just did. I did 2 layers here. So let's see what it's going to give us.
With the 2 layers, I'll keep this up. We know which one it is. You have to put the meter on.
Let me put it on.
How do you put your meter on?
On it.
On it?
I'm so nervous, Mr. Keshe.
Don't be nervous. Okay, where is this? Now you see.
Oh, sorry. Let me do it properly. Let me set it properly.
Now you see.
Well, this is not properly done, but if it's properly done, this is going to give you like 1.5 volts.
This, even at half a volt is good enough.
Yeah, but if this is well done, it's going to give you
if
like
you do it correctly, you
1.5 volts, and then the amps. Now it can't show you the amp because it's not properly done. But
can you show the one you've done yourself? The
okay,
black one.
Yeah, this is the one I've done.
This is the black one.
This is the negative. This is a brass. This is a brass. Is a brass or lead? This is a leader attached to it so that I can connect it.
It's
so
just the connection.
If you add this,
meter.
Yeah, that's 1.
See,
and this can rise. This can go up to 1.7 with time because
it's 1.1.
1.88, and then this cell I've done since November of last year.
This cell has been going on since November, 7-8 months.
This cell, if you
and
put
the current,
now the current is low because
doesn't matter.
yeah. This cell, if you put it in the sun,
if you put it in the sun,
it increases. It's like a solar.
It's
no, this one, I think
yes,
just a little bit 1.4.
4 amp. So if you put it in the sun, it becomes a solar cell. Voltage and a current. Okay.
So if you put it in the sun, it increases the voltage and then the amperage with time. Like for instance, if I keep it on the floor, put it on the floor till the next morning, it could go up to like 2 volts.
So if you put it on the floor in the morning, it'll go to 2 volts because now it absorbs gravitational magnetic field of the Earth. So it recharges itself. This is what we said. You produce more energy at night than the daytime because at night you absorb the energy from the Earth.
So, if I want to use this system to charge up my mobile phone,
if you want to
use this system to charge my mobile phone, up my mobile phone.
If he wants to charge his mobile phone,
you just put them in series and then
put them in series, positive, negative,
and then put another series.
And another series parallel, so you increase your voltage and current.
So if you connect that, you can charge a mobile phone for.
How many of them do you need?
If it's newly done, or no, if you put it on the floor till the next morning, you need like 4 of it or 5 of it to charge your mobile phone, because this one can give you 1.5 volt, like so.
Yeah. So you have a 1.5 volt battery. So
about like 4 or 5 of these units can. The one I use them like 4, 5 of them in parallel to charge my mobile phone.
So